Climate change is a big problem that affects every corner of our planet. It's about the Earth's temperature changing over a long time, leading to significant shifts in weather patterns. Our planet is getting warmer, and that's causing lots of problems for everyone, including more extreme weather events. Scientists have been keeping track of the Earth's temperature for many years, using various methods to gather data. They use special tools to measure the temperature of the air and the oceans, providing us with crucial information. These measurements tell us that the Earth is definitely getting warmer, with glaciers retreating and ice caps melting. This warming isn't just a natural fluctuation, it's a significant change driven by human activities. It's happening because of things that people are doing, like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. When we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, we release harmful gases into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth to warm up, which leads to a host of environmental issues. The main culprit behind this warming is the greenhouse effect. This phenomenon is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. Imagine the Earth wrapped in a blanket of gases. This blanket is made up of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. These gases trap the sun's heat, keeping our planet warm enough to live on. Without this natural greenhouse effect, the Earth's average temperature would be about -18 degrees Celsius, making it a frozen, uninhabitable place. This is a good thing, but too much of it can be a problem. When the concentration of these gases in the atmosphere increases, more heat is trapped, leading to a rise in Earth's average temperature. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, are making this blanket thicker. Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases when burned. This traps even more heat, leading to global warming and climate change. The impacts of this are far-reaching, affecting weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems. It's like we're turning up the thermostat on our planet, and the consequences are already being felt around the world. From more intense storms to prolonged droughts, the signs are becoming increasingly evident. The more we rely on fossil fuels for energy, the worse the problem gets. Our dependence on these energy sources is driving the increase in greenhouse gas emissions. Every time we drive a car, power our homes with electricity generated from coal, or use products made from oil, we contribute to the problem. It's a cycle that needs to be broken if we are to mitigate the effects of climate change and protect our planet for future generations. The effects of climate change are all around us. We see it in the melting glaciers and rising sea levels. We feel it in the more extreme weather events, such as powerful hurricanes, severe droughts, and intense heat waves. Animals are losing their habitats as ice melts and forests burn. Plants are struggling to survive in changing conditions, impacting food sources for both animals and humans. We are already seeing changes in crop yields and the availability of fresh water, which are essential for human survival. The good news is that we have the power to address this challenge. By coming together as a community, we can brainstorm and implement effective solutions that benefit everyone. We can switch to cleaner sources of energy, like solar and wind power. These renewable energy sources not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also create jobs and stimulate the economy. We can reduce our reliance on cars by improving public transport and encouraging cycling and walking. This not only cuts down on emissions, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle and reduces traffic congestion. We can also make changes in our own lives to reduce our environmental footprint. Simple actions like recycling, conserving water, and turning off lights when not in use can collectively make a big impact. Simple things like using energy-efficient appliances, such as LED light bulbs and energy-saving kitchen devices, can significantly lower our energy consumption. Reducing our consumption of meat and opting for more plant-based meals can also help lower greenhouse gas emissions. Choosing locally sourced produce supports local farmers and reduces transportation emissions. Planting trees can make a difference. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, provide oxygen, and create habitats for wildlife. Community gardens and reforestation projects are great ways to get involved. It's time to act now and protect our planet for future generations. By making conscious choices today, we can ensure a healthier, more sustainable world for our children and grandchildren. We need to work together to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and create a more sustainable future. Community efforts like beach cleanups and solar panel projects show that collective action can lead to significant change. Every effort counts, and together, we can make a difference. Whether it's participating in climate marches or simply joining hands in solidarity, our combined efforts can pave the way for a brighter, greener future.